New SpongeBob trailer?
Alive.
2 minutes later.
Maybe we should have picked a better superpower for you, Patrick.
What? Wow. I needed like a whole day to process that, I guess. So I'm Mason from the Rotoscopers YouTube, and I am here to do this trailer reaction for the SpongeBob movie, Sponge Out of Water. First off, I think that the CGI is pretty good looking. Like the compositing on like the beach scenes when they turn into superheroes, like that's all pretty well done. I like that. In fact, when I first saw the screenshot of them like on the beach, like in their superhero poses, I thought they were like sculptures that someone made, and so that just proves how easily they fooled me. Like having SpongeBob and friends being in the real world, like it was fun the first time with the SpongeBob SquarePants movie, and then you know, various times in the show they go back and forth. And I don't know, the big difference was that in the SpongeBob movie they were still 2D hand-drawn, you know, like Roger Rabbit style. They didn't resort to CG. I'm a purist because I've watched the show, you know, since it first came out. I remember watching the very first episode when it premiered on Nickelodeon. And to me, SpongeBob has always been a 2D production. It was this kind of hand-drawn, kind of homegrown, you know, Rocko's Modern Life offshoot that was created and animated by a marine biologist who was just moonlighted as an animator. My first question is, why did they not go with the superheroes from the show? You guys know what I'm talking about when SpongeBob and the gang, they join up with Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy to fight the forces of evil. Are Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy not cool enough anymore? To the chiropractor, away! Yeah, I see your point there. So I get what they're doing with the new superhero costumes. So, you know, SpongeBob, he has this bubble-themed, I think Squidward's alter ego name is Sour Note, because he plays clarinet poorly. If you watch the trailer close enough, that Sandy is just a big, giant CG squirrel, like a big, giant monster squirrel. And I think that's perfect because they remember that Sandy is a land creature, and so, of course, she would just look like a normal squirrel. But why doesn't SpongeBob look like a normal sponge? Why doesn't Patrick look like a normal, you know, real-life starfish like they do in the show? Sponge Out of Water, this trailer, shows how far they have deviated from the source material of the original series. So we've got this like weird plot point where the evil Antonio Banderas pirate is looking for a page of a book, right? So it's kind of like Death Note, where he writes in it and it comes true, but a little lightened up version where he, you know, greedy pirate gets to have his stuff. First of all, SpongeBob has always been pro-pirate from the very beginning. So why is the pirate the bad guy? I don't get it. What is the Krabby Patty secret formula, you know, jealously guarded by Mr. Krabs? What does it have to do with this apocalyptic book that the pirate guy is seeking? Plankton running around with a gang, like, he's supposed to be evil. Like, I bet there's some sort of, like, tie-in, but I don't want Plankton to be part of the gang. I want him to be the, I'm so evil, you know, I want him to be that guy. I could keep critiquing this trailer all day, but my bottom line is that this new movie just seems like another step in the evolution, or I say mutation, of the SpongeBob franchise. And that's the key point right there. Look at the title. The SpongeBob movie, Sponge Out of Water. So where's SquarePants? And it seems nitpicky of me, but hear me out. It just seems like this whole thing, it has become incomplete. It's become too streamlined. You know, they're just kind of continuing the franchise without paying attention to you know, the previous seasons, you know, the actual show, and introducing a bunch of unnecessary drama. Why even make the movie? I'm sorry. I can't endorse this film as a diehard SpongeBob fan. It's just too much for me. So I'm sorry if I sound really dramatic, but this is just the purest SpongeBob fan coming out. So thanks for watching my trailer reaction to the SpongeBob movie, Sponge Out of Water. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to like this video and also subscribe to the Rotoscopers YouTube so that you never miss out on more news, reviews, and more coming from the animation world. Until next time, I'm Mason from the Rotoscopers YouTube.